What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whip Stop, back with another video. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be restoring these here running boards. Right now I'm currently headed over to my my AutoZone, man. I'm gonna go up in there, guys. I'm gonna try to grab like at least 2 cans of this bed liner spray, and I'll cut you guys back on. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back. I'm actually at my AutoZone right now, and I'm about to go up in here and see if I can find this bed liner, guys. So hopefully, you know, I can find it. Yeah, like I said, you know, I hope I find it up in here, guys, because I really want to go through it with this process today. And you know, I checked several sites, man, trying to find some running boards, man, and the electrical ones, y'all know them things is like $1,500, guys. So we're gonna see what we can get done. So let's see if we can find it, guys, hopefully. Alright, guys, so I'm at my AutoZone right now, and just scanning around. But for some reason, I feel like AutoZone got it. I feel like AutoZone gonna have it, guys. I'm looking, guys. All right. Look like I'm in the right section. So, undercoating, so rubberized black, guys. It's something I don't want. I'm looking for the truck bed coating like this. Alright, guys, so after looking through all these cans, I think I done narrowed it down, and I think I'm gonna go with the Herculiner. Y'all see, these cans are $13.99, so I think I might grab 2 of these here. Really, I probably just need 1, but grab 2 just in case. All right, guys, so I made it back to my house. Y'all can see these running boards look white. So we're gonna be touching these here up today. I'm gonna bring y'all around this other side as well. As y'all can see this side as well. No matter what I do to them, they always turn back that color, guys. So today, we're gonna eliminate this problem for good. I'm gonna pull them off, guys, and I'm gonna spray them with this Herculiner that I got. Hopefully it'll restore these boards, keep me from potentially spending like $150, $200. So if I could get it done for 20 bucks, it's all right with me. But like I showed y'all, y'all can see, and as y'all can see, that's there. It's not coming off no matter what we do. I mean, if we wash them, guys, they be black, but once the truck dry, they right back to the same color. So I'm gonna get started, man. I'm gonna pull these here off here. I'm gonna take y'all through this process. All right, guys, so I'm under it, and as you can see, it's so far it look like a 10 and maybe like a 13, but I could be wrong. I'll let y'all know in just a second. But it's 2, 4, 6, It's a total of 8 screws, guys. All right, guys. As y'all can see, I done finally removed this side step, and I'm looking at the truck with it off, guys. I don't like that look. You know, I always told y'all I had thoughts of taking them off, but I don't like that look, guys. Maybe if the nines look like something missing. Maybe if it was sitting. Maybe if I had a bad drop on here, guys. Maybe like a 2.4, 3.5 drop or something. Then I might could pull it off. But actually, guys, honestly, I like them better with them on. So that's what we gonna do, guys. All right, guys. So I got currently one of the running boards out here, and I got me some soap and water in this little bucket. So I'm gonna clean them off with this soap and water real quick, guys. And after that, I'm gonna use some of my wife's acetone, and I'm gonna wipe them down with the acetone. And so y'all can see, I got my Herculiner laying out here in the sun. Y'all know every time before I do any type of spray paint, I like to just keep my bottles out here in the sun, let them get warm so that paint can come out nice and smooth. Have a nice finish on them, guys. So that's what I'm about to do right now, guys. I'm gonna take this little soap and water, clean them off real good, guys. Get all that dirt, debris off it. And like I said, after I do that, we're gonna let them dry, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with some acetone. Then I'll cut y'all back on when I start the spraying process. All right, guys, so I done cleaned them. Now I'm rinsing them off. We're gonna let them dry like this here. And once they dry, guys, I'm gonna wipe them down with some acetone. And we're gonna start spraying. All right, guys, so I done laid my first coat down. So y'all can see, it's not too dark. But you know, y'all wanna start off light. You start off too heavy, you damn sure ain't gonna have nothing for it to stick to. So just take your time, do your one little light coat, let that dry, and then you can come back over it. But me personally, I might do like maybe 2 light coats. Yeah, I might do 2 light coats, guys. And then I'll come back a little bit heavy. But as y'all can see, just from this one little bitty coat, man, make a hell of a difference, guys. All right, guys. So we done applied that second coat. As you can see, it's looking real good. We might go with one more, guys. Do a third coat, third and final coat. And I'll move on to the other one. But I need you guys' opinion. Jump down in the comments, let me know what you think. And like I said, guys, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll do like a 6-month review. But for right now, man, these things look brand new. We don't have a drop of splatter, no bubble, no nothing. Second coat, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna spray one more time, and we're gonna move on to the driver's side. All right, guys, so I'm on the other one right now, and as y'all can see, I think this is my second coat. So I'm gonna spray it one more time, And I'm gonna let them sit out here in the sun and bake for like an hour. And I'll start reassembling. I'll start putting them back on the truck. Look pretty good to me. Look nice. And like I said, y'all, same technique apply. If y'all see me paint my interior pieces, same technique apply. That's how you get a smooth finish, guys. You don't want them looking like your first grade son done got painted them. You want to take your time. And remember, so yeah, guys, y'all can see me. I got my mask on. I got my work hat on. Keep my dreads covered up. So, yeah, that's today's video, guys. Hitting these running boards, restoring these running boards, bringing them back to life, guys. That's today's video, man. Now I'm gonna come back out here. Like I said, I'm gonna spray it one more time, and I'm gonna let them bake in the sun for about an hour, hour and a half. So y'all can see this one is finished. And as you guys can see, it's just laid. And I finished this one at least 20 minutes ago. And it's been baking in the sun ever since. So that's the same thing I'm gonna do with this one. And the same thing y'all gonna do when you do yours. Make sure, you know, prep is key. It's all in the prep game. So you want to prep them real good. Keep that can in the sun while you prepping them. After you prep them, you should get a finish like this, guys. That look factory. So, yeah, I'm gonna spray this here one more time. And I might cut y'all back on. I might not. But when I do cut y'all back on, they'll be on the truck. So y'all stay tuned. And again, we using a Herculiner. Do it yourself. Y'all know me, Mr. DIY. So I'm gonna cut this camera off and hit them one more time for you guys. And next time I turn it on, they'll be on the truck. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all finished. Got them looking nice and good. They're drying right now, so we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep them out here for like an hour or two, just as long as the sun up. Let them bake a little bit. Y'all can see. It's laid pretty good, guys. So we're gonna wrap this video up right here. And the next time y'all see these suckers, they should be back on the truck. So until then, guys, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Everybody have a blessed, positive day today. Y'all know positive lives spread positive vibes. So until the next video, guys, we'll catch y'all later. See ya. Baby,